XT1, the entry-level side discharge lawn tractor from Cub Cadet. Automotive-grade corrosion-resistant frame, tested and approved by true landscapers. A powerful and reliable Cub Cadet engine, the power to do all your chores with the turn of a key. And next to it, an electric deck engagement. The hydrostatic drive system lets you simply step on the pedal and go. The easiest steering system on the market, with incredibly responsive handling. Thanks to the 38cm turning radius, get around obstacles and finish your job quickly. The deck can be adjusted to 12 different heights, satisfying all the different cutting preferences. Tested by landscapers, thousands of hours, resulting in a tractor with top performance and efficiency. With a new muscular cutting system that features cutting deck options of 96 and 107 centimeters, built with heavy-duty materials and an advanced belt design, ensuring long-term durability. The comfortable seat can be adjusted to your individual size. Powerful LED lights allow safe driving even when the sun goes down. XT1, the entry-level in Cub Cadet's Enduro series. Designed to get the job done with unbelievable power and efficiency. Cub Cadet, built to last, built to love. For more information, please go to cubcadet.eu.